Hello there, I'm Dr Phil. Today we're going to talk about why people shave their body hair. The answer is I've no idea, other than it's purely a fashion thing. In the 70s, Dr Alex Comfort wrote a book called The Joy of Sex, and it featured a fairly hirsute man and his unshaven hirsute partner. And he was a keen advocate of armpit sex, doing all sorts of things with your armpit, not shaving it, because the smell of the pheromones, those sexual hormones, were a very keen aphrodisiac. He even advocated smothering your partner's mouth with your armpit if you're trying to have a quiet orgasm. May not be your thing, but the point is, back in the 70s, hair was all the rage. Nobody shaved it. Now everybody seems to think that they have to buff and polish their genitals. Particularly, I suspect that's partly because of a certain type of movie, which I think is a bit peculiar, that people want to look as if they were prepubescent. I don't like that at all. And it's not actually physiologically a very good thing either, because the pubic hair is there for a reason. It acts as a buffer during all that bumping and grinding, and people often find that if they shave off all their pubic hair, not only is it very uncomfortable to have the procedure done, but they find that sex is more uncomfortable as well, because there's no natural buffer there with hair against hair. So you really don't need to do it at all. Occasionally people do get excessive hair. They get something called hirsutism. Some conditions like polycystic ovaries can lead to excessive hair in places you don't want it. But the normal hair, under the armpit, under the legs, around the genitals, is there for a reason, perfectly natural. And before you spend a fortune getting it removed, and 10 years of electrolysis, ask your partner, because this is really interesting. A lot of men like a wee tash on a woman. A lot of men actually like a slightly hairy woman. Women seem to think that they have to shave everything off, but actually a lot of men find it attractive. So it's worth asking first. And also for the men, a lot of men now go and have a back sack and crack job. Again, completely unnecessary. A lot of men seem to think that their penis will look longer if they shave the hair off, or they shave the pubic hair into a funny V shape. That's pretty much a telltale sign for SPACs, a small penis anxiety complex, and again, completely unnecessary. Size doesn't matter, and certainly shaving a lot around the base of your pubic bone isn't going to make your penis any longer, really. It might look so in certain angles of the mirror, but generally, best keep your hair on. A little bit of a tidy up every now and then doesn't matter, that's fine, you know, a bit of topiary, but certainly you don't need to go to the full-on shave. Costs an awful lot of money and can make sex painful. I thank you. For more information on body hair, go to the Embarrassing Problems website. For more information on Dr Phil, go to drphilhammond.com.